Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I would like to talk about Pantone's color of the year. And that used to be my favorite color, peach, or as they call it, peach fuzz. So this color I feel is so great for the spring season, summer. And I have only one wedding that I'm doing so far that's this peach tones. And I feel that we can have so much fun with its soft and vibrant colors. We can add in different tones like light blue, or maybe even make it bold and add in oranges. I just love the fact that we can play around and use it in so many different ways. So I included some very cute examples of how I love using this color and making it romantic and elegant. So you ask, Nia, who is Pantone and why are they telling me what colors I need to use? So what I'm understanding is it started back in like around 1950, and they just made color palettes or color samples for different companies, and then it just became popular for designers, all industries to kind of use the color to shape their creativity. So now they just use them for everything, and every year they come out with a color, and this year it happens to be peach fuzz. So I think that this is going to be a great year for a beautiful color, or a great springtime, basically, or summer too, for this color. And I hope you enjoy using it. So comment down below and tell me, what do you think about Pantone's color of the year and how you plan to use it if you're a designer or if you're a bride. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.